You got your paper airplanes?
Yeah, I got mine.
Yeah. That's your paper airplane. I zoom it. Oh my god. It's a size 8. Zoom in. Oh my god. Hey Freddy, you got yours? Yeah, I did. This is cool. The requirements were to draw your face, but I failed.
I drew mine. Yeah. This is the first time I'm not depressed. I'm depressed. I'm never depressed today. What do you do?
Why do you have a different voice like the broken fox?
I don't know.
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Booger, bring the airplane. Do, do, do. Booger, we're gonna win. It's obvious Booger's at least gonna get 5th place at least, because he has a big airplane. Not that big. And I want...
Mine is a robot. No way.
You're lying.
No, I'm serious.
My favorite song. Humpty Dumpty said what? Oh, oof. Oh. What? What?
Oh, hi.
Biggie.
We're doing good. A airplane race.
Booger. Booger. Nice.
Be right back. I'm a be back with my super airplane.
You have to. Yes, your name on it.
It doesn't matter.
Beach. Oh no. I might forfeit this round.
Let's find out.
After throwing the airplane. What? What? Bigger. Booger. How? My competition. This is my competition. And the paper airplane noob that can't even create a perfect paper airplane. Yes. Oh my god.
I quit.
I'm out. What's on? Booger win.
I got 4th place.
Wait, I got last.
Well, at least I got 5th place. Bonnie and Foxy.
How can Booger win? I thought I was gonna win.
I'm depressed. I'm depressed.
You're always depressed.
I'm depressed.
Booger.